Hi, Nick Dogle, North State Law, where we safeguard your professional license so you can get back to business. Today we're going to be talking about renewal of professional licenses within the state of North Carolina. And this is for kind of a generalization because obviously I can't get into every single professional license within the state, otherwise I'll be here for a week. And I'm not kidding about that. I will be here for a week if I did that. But I wanted to kind of get into certain things for generally certain licenses and what's required. So every license is going to have a renewal period, typically within 12 months for the license. I think don't believe I've come across a board that was shorter or longer in length. They're all pretty much within 12 months. If you're not 100% sure, check out with your local or with your state board or state agency that regulates your license. But some licenses will be renewed annually and just in the regular calendar year, like bar licenses were renewed as long as it's before December 31st. We're allowed to renew our license, pay bar fees and things like that. Certain other boards like Board of Nursing, it may depend on what your birth date is. When you start to get into other licenses, it might depend on when you actually were given your license. And you also have to keep in mind, depending on your license, excuse me, you may have to go ahead and apply within a set time period, like 30 to 60 days prior to the expiration of your license. So that's very important to understand. Because you don't want to run afoul of the board by missing your renewal time period. General contractor's licenses, you do have to renew within a set time. And speaking of general contractor license, I know engineering licenses are like this too. You want to make sure that if you are an LLC or corporation and say you're the qualifying general contractor for a general contracting firm in the state of North Carolina, you're going to have to renew your individual qualifying license, and then you're also going to have to renew your business license, your business's general contracting license. So you'll have two there. Same with engineers. Engineers will be quote unquote the qualifier for their business. Let's say, Jane Smith LLC, Engineering Consultants LLC or whatever. Well, not only does Jane Smith as an individual engineer have to be licensed, she's got to be the qualifier for her company and make sure that she's got proper documentation on file with the Board of Engineering. So she'll have to renew both of those and make sure both are up to date before they're expired. And again, like I said, I don't remember every single one offhand because, like I said, I don't have a week to go over every single one of them. But double check with your licensing board on the timelines of when the renewals have to be in by. Some do have to be in within 30 days of the expiration date. Some have to be in, I believe, 60 days. There's a couple boards that are like that. Or if it's the state bar, we just have to have everything, our dues paid and our CLEs in by certain set dates. We get a little bit of leeway on the CLEs, but as far as the fees are concerned, those do have to be in by the 31st of December every single year. But yeah, double check your licensing authority, whether it's a board or state agency. They have a lot of good information on their websites. If you're still having a hard time finding it, check out some of my blogs. It's northstatelawfirm.com. You can also check out my YouTube channel. So my last name Dogle and also North State Law. If you can't find any of the information there, give me a call and I'll help you out. It's 919-521-8810. You can call or text me at that number. You can also reach out to me at admin@northstatelawfirm.com. Thank everybody for what you do for the state. Everybody have a great day and stay safe out there. Stay safe out there, I should say. Bye-bye.